Hi everyone, it's ELLE KOS Glam. I'm so glad you made it back to my channel. The motivation of this video is to get you organized. Hopefully I can help you organize your home. We're going to start with the linen closet and I can help you simplify your life, and everything you need will be down in the description. So let's get started. Recently I had family stay with me and here is my guest closet. It is a mess. It drove me crazy. But here's the after. It's very light, very refreshing. It's very coastal, light and airy. And I like to keep that theme with every single room. So let's get started by clearing out the space. We're going to go ahead and take out everything that's cluttered in the closet, anything that's torn, damaged, ripped up, old, and everything that's thrown in here like a catch-all. There's a vacuum cleaner in here, some robes, some towels, sheets, everything you can think of that was linen in my home is in this closet. So I had to make sure I purge everything out and decide what stays and what goes. The first thing I had to do was throw everything on the floor, go through it, decide what needs to be donated, what needs to be kept, and what needs to be cleaned, washed, and put up. There's Mr. Snowball. He's inside the pile. That's not a good sign. That means I need to get rid of it. He's inside this pile of clutter, and I have to sort through it and figure out what to keep and what to get rid of. I really don't like clutter in my home. When there's clutter, I can't think. So the next thing I want to do is assess the space and take a look at what I'm working with, take some measurements, and decide how I want to organize everything, such as which shelves go with what basket or bin. There's a spa theme, I want a coastal theme, I want a traditional theme. I want to figure out what type of theme I want to do for that closet. Do I like light colors? Do I like dark colors? What's the measurements? And you can just go from there. And that would be the beginning of your organization process. You want to take a look at the space, make some measurements, either go to the store or order online, and I have some links down below that will help you to give everything a home. You have to have a home for everything that's in your closet. So what I did was I wanted a kind of a spa feel, a nautical feel. I have faux flowers in there. I have wicker baskets that are light colors and white. And the top shelf, I have my toiletries, which is my toilet paper, and I lined it up in order to make it look nicer. I like to take everything out of a package when I get it. I don't like packages at all. I like to take things out and put them where they need to be in a new home, and I don't like bulky packages. The next shelf, I have a wicker diffuser, and it comes in handy. I have them all over my home, and like I said, I'll link them below. This is a cork top. And the next basket, I have lotions. I have my collagen oils that I use. These are my staples, and I'll be going over these later. I swim almost every day. I have my swimmer shampoo in there. When I don't have company, I like to use this particular closet. We have 3 linen closets. My husband has one, I have one, and we have one together. This is mine, I stole it. And then I have my medicine toiletries in there. Any type of cold medicines is in that next one, so I can get to it. And that's that particular shelf. The next shelf, I have an easy reach for my washcloths. When I come in from taking a swim, I can go ahead and grab it and run right to the shower, which is right next door. There's a bathroom right next to it. I put in a little flower there that I picked up from the dollar store. It's a little faux flower, and I used an old candle container to put it in, so it gave it a real light and airy feeling. Here's my washcloths. I like to roll my washcloths because it's easier for someone to grab it out versus messing up the entire stack. You could just grab a roll and go. So that's very easy. The next shelf is my towels. They're easy, accessible, eye level to get to, and they're folded up nice and neat there. As a tip to keep the towel smelling fresh, you want to add a bounce or a snuggle fabric softener sheet under the towels at the bottom, and it makes the entire closet smell fresh. And now we have another shelf done. I also added Miss Meyer's hand lotion and soap and honeysuckle next to the towels just to give it a spa look. And I love these products. I use them all the time. I really love the smell of honeysuckle. It's very therapeutic to have fresh smelling smells around the home. It puts me in a better mood. So I like to keep these products out because it gives it a spa look. It works very well. So moving down to the last shelf, which is our final shelf, I have some things that I normally don't use a lot, like my carpet scrubber, my Glade carpet brush, and things that I don't pull out a lot. My baking soda is down there, and I like to keep those hidden away, tucked away nicely inside the basket. So we're all set. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you want more videos like this. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification button so you'll know when I'm posting more. We're doing a lot of organization in our new home, and I want to take you on this journey with me so I can help you on the way. Sometimes we get overwhelmed with clutter. We have that junk drawer or that junk closet that is just completely taking over our life, but we're going to take it back, and you're going to go with me on this journey. Comment below and let me know which room you need to go ahead and organize. Hopefully I motivated you to get up and get busy so you can have more time to enjoy life. I hope this motivated you to get your linen closet together, organized. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, guys.